Hello everyone, today I'm here to talk about these leggings I have in my hands. They actually come in a 2-pack, so you can see I have a pair on as well. They have different colors. I like the black just because it matches everything. One of the things I really like about these leggings is that they are fleece lined. So it's gonna be hard to see, but if I kind of turn these inside out, you can see that they're nice and soft on the inside. Really great for cooler weather, so fall, if you're going out to the pumpkin patch, or winter as it gets colder, you want to go sledding, go for a walk with your dog. These are great to put it on. They're also great for like work or going out, whether you want to dress up or dress down, underneath skirts and dresses, just as workout clothes, just walking around, lounging around if you're working from home. These are great. I love putting them on in the morning because they're nice and soft and keep you warm. The other thing I really like about them is that they are really actually lightweight. So even though that they are fleece lined, they're also very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you have on a lot of clothing. Really nice and comfortable, gives you a lot of room to move around comfortably, and easy to take care of as well. So overall, these are really good. So I actually normally wear a size small. These are a size small and they fit perfectly, so you don't have to worry about that. I really recommend these as the seasons start to get a little bit colder. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around so you can kind of see the fit of these. But like I said, there's different colors available, and just overall a really good thing to just have lying around as you get dressed in the morning and trying to pick out clothes. So thanks for listening.